Hi, I'm George Nordhaus, and today I'm interviewing Matt Anderson, a well-known marketing person in the field of global marine. Well, it's global marine specialties. I'll let him tell you about it, but it's very well known, and we've ballyhooed them for years and never had anything but positive results. Matt, let's talk about briefly what types of insurance or products do your organization specialize in to our retail agencies?
Sure, George. Thanks for your time today. Global Marine Insurance has worked with IMMS.com for several years now, and we specialize in all different types of marine-related insurance risks. Examples would include pleasure watercraft, ranging from personal watercraft all the way up to 80-foot plus mega yachts. We are licensed in all lower 48 states and can also place risks worldwide that may have worldwide navigation or be moored in foreign countries. And our watercraft risk specialty also extends to commercial marine programs. We would write, examples would include boat dealers, yacht clubs, marinas, charter fleets, casino boats, pretty much any type of specialty commercial marine product. We just do boats, and we'd like to say our tagline is just boats, just better.
How come you got in the boat thing? Didn't like that? Because this is unusual.
Well, one of our co-founders and president of our company is Mike Smith, and about 30 years ago, he had a call from a local charter fleet who could not obtain insurance, and he was a general lines insurance agent at the time, but was also his family had a long background in boating, and they take their boats around the Great Lakes, and he got to be known on the dock. So people started calling him and saying, hey, I've got a charter fleet or I've got a passenger boat, having trouble finding a specialty policy to serve that. And 30 years ago or so, there wasn't a lot of standalone boat and yacht policies. So one thing led to another, and soon some marine specialty lenders began calling, and being in the Great Lakes, it was a natural fit to start the specialty program up, and it grew rapidly from there.
That's interesting. I'm sure other people have done sort of the same thing. What sets you apart from others?
Well, we've invested fairly heavily in technology to have our cost of producing policies very cheaply. And what we do, doing business in all lower 48 states and basically taking care of all commercial marine or pleasure marine risks, is that we represent the top carriers as an independent agency, and we've built a software program that will allow us to simultaneously shop or comparative rate boat and yacht products. We're the only agency in the country that can comparatively rate boat and yacht policies online. So we've extended through technology, through our specialty, those advantages in the marketplace. We also, being licensed in 48 states allows us to access a wide range of brokers and niches countrywide. That's basically what sets us apart.
That says a lot, particularly the fact that you can do it right online. That's amazing. Do you have any particular problems or anything you could solve for a typical, what kind of problems does a typical agency producer have that you can solve?
Well, they're going to be, we're going to offer expertise for their clients. They may have a commercial client that has a small business, or, and they go out and buy a yacht, and they call their agent and say, hey, I've got this yacht, and I want to do this. I want to maybe take it from here to Florida, the Bahamas, and I need coverage for it. So what we can do as a specialist is step in for that broker and answer those questions and make sure that the coverages meet what the client's trying to do. We know the bow from the stern. We're boaters here, and we can provide that expertise for the agent so they can round out their account and keep that client happy. We just do the boats and yachts, so we can offer that product to an agent without fear that we're going to take other pieces of that client's business. So we offer the agent the opportunity to round out those accounts and bring the expertise to the table for them.
Any other last words about your great organization?
I would just say that, for agents, the demographic of a boat owner or a yacht owner is very positive. They're typically high net worth individuals, great credit scores, multiple homes, cars. It's a great entry and a great lead-in to a high net worth individual that will also have estate planning needs, financing needs, and also possibly businesses, homes, and autos that also need to be insured. So it would be great for people to use us as a lead-in for their clients.
Coming in the back way, that's very interesting. I hadn't thought of it that way, but it's a really good way to do it. Matt, thank you very much. It's a wonderful opportunity to talk to you. Here's your contact information that people can contact you directly.
Yeah, my direct contact information, our 800 number is 800-748-0224. My extension is 4023. Our website is globalmarineinsurance.com. There's an agent tab there that you can reach for the agents. And my email address is Matt, M-A-T-T, .Anderson, A-N-D-E-R-S-O-N, @quotemyboat.com.
Quote My Boat. Well, I hope a whole lot of people will go in there and quote my boats. And Matt, once again, thank you.
Thank you, George.